so delicious. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a mango strawberry banana smoothie. So see this mango, not so sure if it's good. Hope it is. I normally buy the ones that are cut up in the supermarket, but I decided to try this one. This is not from our country, but it looks like it comes from some other country, so I'm gonna try it in my smoothie today. Okay, but as is customary, remember to like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Okay, and remember to follow me on all social, okay, at okay. So let's dive right into the video. So today I'm going to make this smoothie without milk or yogurt. Okay, so I have here, as I said before, the mango, and I have here 3 ripe bananas, and I have some frozen strawberry with some cube ice, and I have cranberry. So no milk, no yogurt. Okay, so I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna add the banana to the blender. So guys, if you have your fruits and them getting a little soft and you don't want to eat them, remember you can make smoothie with them, okay? You can use your orange juice to blend up a smoothie. It don't have to be cranberry or milk. So let's see what's going on with this mango. So I'm gonna peel the skin off. Let's taste it. It's sweet, guys. You can use it sweet. It's sweet. Not as sweet as our mango, but it is sweet. I'm gonna leave this part to eat. So ice. I'm gonna add some cranberry juice. So no milk, no yogurt. Alright, and I'm going to cover. And there I have it, guys, all done. So let me glass this and taste it. Ooh. Let's just taste it. It's my mango banana strawberry. So beautiful and pretty. It's so beautiful, so delicate, so rich, so pretty. and so tasty. No sugar. No sugar added. The banana already sweet. The mango is already sweet. Yeah, so you don't need any other sweetener. And it's so delicious. So go ahead and try it, guys. You will love it. Remember to like, share, and comment on my videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. Go ahead and try this smoothie. Thank you so much. Until my next video. Bye.